Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. Hope everybody is fine. Just take a look at the left side of the screen. Here is the message: stay home and save lives. It means if you are staying at home, not going anywhere, then it means you are safe from everything. Alright, let's start with introduction. Here you can see, welcome to the new academic session of grade 1, and this is our first week. Week number 1 is going on. And I am your teacher. My name is Kamal and I will teach you social studies. Alrighty, first of all, you can see here is a slide, and in this picture you can see there are two girls and they are trying to introduce themselves with us, and their topic is myself. It means they are trying to tell us about themselves, their name, their age, and whatever they have. In this slide, you can see here is a girl. She is standing in front of the class and she is telling us about her age. She says, I am 5 years old. Okay. And now you can see here is the boy. His name is Ahmed and he is 6 years old. You can see he's wearing a shirt and 6 number is written on that. The topic is about myself. Yes, you can see there are two students. They are having their uniform, they are smiling, and they have their introduction with us. They say, hello, I am a girl, my name is Anam, and boy says, hello, I am a boy, and my name is Ali. Yes, they are telling us about themselves. They are telling us about their age and about their name. Now you can see two students, they are going to school. Boy has the blue bag and girl has a pink bag. Boy's name is Akbar and girl's name is Nina. And how do they introduce themselves? Boy says, my name is Akbar, I go to school and I am 7 years old. And girl says, my name is Nina, I go to school, I am 7 years old. Wow! Alrighty, here in the slide you can see there are two students, there are two kids, they are standing here, they are looking happy because they are having their birthdays. Girl is having 6th birthday and boy is having his 7th birthday. They are trying to tell us about their age. And already you have done your number names in your prep class, so you know the spelling of 6 and 7. Now let's start with our book. This is your social studies book and I hope everybody has bought it from the market. But still, if you didn't buy the book, then please don't get worried about that because I am your teacher and I am your facilitator. And I know how to show you the book. All book is saved in my slides, so don't worry about that. This is the first page and I have divided it into two portions. In one portion you can see there is a girl and you can see her name. And other portion you can see here is a boy and his name is Yasser. Girl is wearing a purple frock and boy is wearing the shorts. Girl's name is Anam and boy's name is Yasser. Now you can see the complete page. Unit number 1, and on the top of the page you can say which is written in the red color, that is the topic about myself, and on line number 2 you can see me and my family. So I start reading and you will read it along with me and you will repeat it after me. Alright, get ready? Okay ji, let's start. This is Anam. She is a girl. She is 6 years old. Now repeat after me. Yes, very good. This is Anam. She is a girl. She is 6 years old. Very good. Well done. Now let's start with the boy. This is Yasser. He is a boy. He is 7 years old. Very good. Once again repeat it after me. This is Yasser. He is a boy. He is 7 years old. Now you can see I have done some words underline and we will repeat it again. The first word is underline, which I've done underline. This is about myself, the spelling of myself. You can see how did I write it, myself. And come on line number 2, here the word is family. Now let's see. Here is Anam is standing, and which word I have done. This is Anam. I have done this underline. This is Anam. The second word is girl, which is underlined, and the third word is she, and the fourth is years and old. It means in these lines, Anam is telling us about her name, about her gender, and about her age. And in this side, Yasir. The word is Yasir underline. He is a boy. Spelling of boy, repeat it after me. B-O-Y, boy. And he is 7 years old. Okay, in short, you can understand that we can see two students. They are standing here and they are telling us about themselves. One is girl and one is boy. Girl's name is Anam, boy's name is Yasir. Girl is 6 years old and boy is 7 years old. Okay, please note down these words on your notebook or any page, whatever you have in your hand. Alright ji, please keep your paper and pencil with you. Now we are going to read the word again and you will write it down. Anam, A-N-U-M, Anam. Yasir, Y-A-S-I-R, Yasir. Girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. So please write it down and try to repeat it. Now as you know about the number names from the prep class, even when you were in advance, you have done the numbers. So you can see the spelling 6 and 7. And last word is years. Y-E-A-R-S, years. Alright G, now let's start with the work, with the classwork. I have some questions and these are oral. You will not write it on your notebook, just tell me the answer. Okay, if I say, what is your name? If I tell you my name, if you ask from me, the teacher, what is your name? I will tell you, my name is Teacher Kamal. But if I ask, dear students, what is your name? Question number 1, you can see here are 3 questions. Question number 1, 2 and 3. So you can see I am on the question number 1. Page number 2, and these are all oral questions. So you will answer me quickly. What is your name? Yes, come on. Try to give me the proper answer. My name is, yes, tell me. Very good. Everybody knows the name. Now come on, number 2. Are you a girl or a boy? Yes, you will tell me the answer in yes or no. Are you a girl or are you a boy? Okay, very good. Everybody knows. And now come on, question number 3. How old are you? It means how many birthdays you have celebrated. Wow. Yes, tell me. How old are you? Are you 7 years old or are you 6 years old? Yes, give me the answer. You can see, open your book, look at the page number 2 and you can find the questions at the end of the page. These are all oral questions. You don't need to write it on your notebook. Just give me the verbal answer. Okay, again I'll repeat it. Question number 1, what is your name? Yes, very good. Give me the answer. Alright, I can hear you. Now, question number 2, are you a girl or a boy? Very nice. Now, question number 3, how old are you? Excellent. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. Alright, and now I give you the homework. Please open your page number 2 and you will do it on the book. Okay, the task is paste or draw your picture. You can see the image. Yes, on page number 2 at the end of the page you can see here is the option paste or draw your picture. If you have the color, then you can color page. If you have the picture, you can paste it in the block. And if you don't have the picture, then don't worry, you can draw your face by yourself. Even I have made some worksheets, so it would be very helpful for you. So your homework is, after your reading and after reading the difficult words, you will do this homework, and page number 2 you will do it on the book. And if you don't have the book, then you can do it on the page. Any loose sheet, any notebook, any register, whatever you have at home, what is available, you can get. Okay, you will paste your picture and if the picture is not available, then you will draw or color your picture on the page. Alright, got it? Alright, here then again, stay home and save lives. I am going to be ended with my lesson. Goodbye and thank you. Have a nice day and enjoy your life and stay home and save lives. Try to follow all precautionary measures. Okay, thank you so much. Next time we are meeting again on the same time. Alright, goodbye.